For the past 4 months, I have used the Thinkpad Compact Wireless Keyboard as my desktop keyboard. I picked this keyboard specifically because I wanted something that had the same layout and the same feel as the Thinkpad laptops. My current laptop is the Thinkpad C450S, and I can confidently say that there are loads of resemblances between these two keyboards' typing experience. However, there's also a few differences. Let's talk about it. Okay, there's two major differences between the keyboards. The first one is lighting. There is no backlight on the wireless keyboard, which for some people might be a problem, but for me it wasn't really a problem or a deal breaker because I almost always have a desk light turned on when I'm at my desktop computer. The second difference is the keystrokes. There is just a bit of a difference in the sound and feel of each stroke. The T450S is a bit softer when you press the keys and the sound is a bit less apparent and sharp. I think that the main difference in the feel is down to one being in a laptop chassis and the other one having its independent chassis. But that doesn't change the fact that they feel different. I would also like to highlight a few problems I encountered during my time with the keyboard. First, I had an issue with the Bluetooth connectivity, where the keyboard would randomly disconnect from my PC and would then quickly reconnect. I solved this by turning off the power saving mode in the Bluetooth settings on my PC, but it didn't completely fix the problem. It reduced the frequency of this happening to around every 2 hours instead of every 5 minutes. So it almost fixed the issue. Secondly, I had some issues with the function lock key not working properly. Luckily, I found some software on Lenovo's page that made it function properly. I would only recommend this keyboard if you want something as close to the Thinkpad laptops as possible. If you just want a good keyboard, then I would find something else. I'm currently testing the Logitech MX keys, so stick around if you want to know what I think about that keyboard. That has been all. I'll see you next time.